That thing, some lot of blah blah. Some brother is stopping a sister, and what do you call it? I don't know what it means. Uh, and what do you call it? Teasing his sister of some kind. Look, don't do this. And then later I got the sin thing. Sin, if you say that the sin, the biggest sin is the sextortion and all the false accusations and everything, and framing someone, framing innocent. So if you call about my sin, because of that sin, I'm not in prison. Getting this bad. I would have been prison in 4th of June 2022 for rape charges. They were pressing a rape charges, like they did it to someone before. Getting this bad. And what I did, I only throwed up a meeting who picked a fight with my father. They were pressing up rape charges. So it was to them important to do this. And same thing, they picked a fight again, and I answered them, and they wanna press false charges again. And at night, I exposed them that they are the prostitution racket. So, to go fuck yourself. No, don't fuck yourself. Actually, I feel bad for whatever you are doing to you. Don't do this. Don't trouble them. And what do you call it? It was my job to do, and the one more job to do is you are doing the perfect job. Actually, the brother is whatever he is doing to keeping people away from me. It's the perfect. That's what the game is. That's what's supposed to happen from past 2 years. But West people were, what do you call it, खुले सांड जैसा मेरे पीछे छोड़ दिया था सबको. So that's what the game is, even though portraying something which is, what do you call it? So I don't give a fuck. I did my job, and there is more job. If you speak about this sin, I got more stuff to work on that. You have that afterlife file, I guess. And thank you for that sending that the sin and all, because I have to work on something which because of that thing I got into my head, the sin and all. And afterlife is it was a task given to me by a VH1 guy. A VH1 guy, in Pune, he gave me a task. So the guy from VH1. So I have to what do you call it? That's a fucking raw file, but there is lot more empty. I have to hit the waters as well. I have to do a lot of stuff in my life, and thanks for that brother who is doing that stuff, and thanks for every family member who is stopping their, what do you call it, stopping everyone from coming after me. That's what the game is. And what do you call it, but no hard feelings, no, don't trouble anyone, don't disturb anyone of any kind. uh, what do you call it, it's a normal thing. And I'll drop in the, when I'll publish the book, you get the complete episode. uh, uh, what do you call it, what were the accusations put, it will horrify. And one guy has been in jail for false accusation of, he's out now. I saw him recently because of such accusations, and still today, even after what do you call it, exposing. I needed that time frame, the time frame which I needed to learn, to know. So I got that time frame, and when cops came to know, cops also kicked them out. Chal bahar niklo. Who? The accusers. So no accusation was put against me, was taken seriously against me after that. You know how lucky I am. No, how, what work did I do? You go and if some lady presses charges on you, that normal chedchad bhi, you go into the police station, see what happens to you. And they were what do you call it? They were doing the pregnancy and lot of other stuff, message planting and marriage thing as well. Police didn't even, what do you call it, उसके बाद दे डिडंट इवन स्पीक विथ मी रूडली. पहले एकदम गुस्से से देखते थे. जैसा मालूम पड़ा ना, तो पुलिस चाहिए था, मेरे को बोलते पुलिस बोलती है तो पुलिस चाहिए था, समझा. तो देयर इज लॉट मोर स्टफ. एंड one suggestion I want to give you is after going someone, not me, I am telling you, there will be in future you will see, you will meet a lot of people, but going after someone means losing your spot. Luca, this is very important in your life. This is very important in your life. Always remember this. Going after someone means you are losing your spot. Where you are wherever you are losing that spot, and you are going towards someone. You are losing yourself. Going after someone means never go after anyone. फ्रेंडशिप है मिलने का, बात करने का, नहीं है गांड पे लात मारने का सीधा, समझे? नेवर गो आफ्टर एनीवन. मैं एक्सपीरियंस से बोल रहा है. यू विल लूज योर स्पॉट, यू विल लूज योर थिंग. समझा मैं क्या बोल रहा है? किसी के पीछे नहीं जाने का, कभी नहीं. यू लूज योर थिंग, you lose your spot basically, you lose your image. समझा? You have air to breathe, you have food to eat, you have hands to work, you have more than you have brains to, what do you call it, understand stuff. So feel yourself lucky and continue. The one who is friends with you, they will stay with you all your life. But the one who is not, and the one who, if someone chases someone, and so you are losing your spot. Always be in your spot. मस्त एकदम कड़क टाई, बो टाई, एकदम मेकअप करके. मेकअप नहीं करने का मतलब एकदम मस्त रहने का, समझा? नेवर लूज योर स्पॉट, समझा? अभी ये क्या है देखो, you actually you have to read books, lot of books. Osho, lot of Swamis. I met the Swamis. So recently I saw that too. Osho trained people to change the world. Osho trained people to change the world. So ज़्यादा किसके पीछे जाने का नहीं, अपना एंजॉय करने का, खाने का, पीने का, मस्त रहने का, आ गया? हाँ, करियर वाइज ये वाइज कुछ है तो ज़रूर करने का, ज़रूर जाने का करियर के लिए. ये सब हम भी काम के पीछे भागते हैं. बहुत काम के पीछे हमको कभी कभी भागना पड़ता है. कभी काम मेरा कैसा होता है मालूम है, सामने से काम आता है मुझे. मैं काम के पीछे भागा नहीं, पहले बहुत भागता था. जैसे मेरा वर्थ मालूम पड़ा लोगों को, फिर मैं काम के पीछे भागता नहीं, वो सामने से आते हैं. तो काम के पीछे भागो, अच्छा चीज़ है. इंसान के नीचे नहीं, इंसान के पीछे नहीं, समझा कि थक गया. उधर भी ऐसे ही लफड़ा हो रहा था. मैं बोल रहा है कुछ और, वो लोग कुछ और ही समझ रहे, फिर भी पीछे जाओ, ज़्यादा डबल पीछे लग गए. फिर बोल रहा अरे यार क्यों कर रहे हैं यार तुम लोग, क्या हो गया तुमको? और वेस्ट का और ईस्ट का कुछ तो अलग ही हो गया था. मैं बोला यार ये क्या हो रहा है, इतना में कर रहा है, इतना में क्या बोलता है, खुद को ये दिखा रहा है, ऐसा दिखा रहा है, वैसा दिखा रहा है. वो खुद बोल रहा है ना, मैं आगे नहीं ऐसा है, वैसा है, ये वो, फिर भी ऐसा हो रहा है. मैं बोला बेंच तो हो क्या रहा है, ये सब है ना, वो क्या मालूम है क्या है, मेरे को भी नहीं समझ में आता है कभी कभी. तो काम धंधा करो, काम करो, एंजॉय करो. काम के पीछे भागो, इंसान के पीछे नहीं.